Hi friends, welcome to Aruna Cuisines. This video is about how to prepare cucumber lemonade. Cucumber lemonade is the perfect naturally sweetened and body cooling juice. Before starting it, please subscribe my channel and comment. Required ingredients for cucumber lemonade: 1 cup large cucumber chunk, 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons jaggery, 2 tablespoons sliced ginger. Add the cucumber chunks, jaggery, ginger to the blender and blend it very smoothly by adding required amount of water. Pour the cucumber mixture into a glass. To this cucumber mixture, squeeze half lemon and mix well. Now cucumber lemonade is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment and share this video.